What are you doing? Is you being a pretty birdies? Is he playing with his daddy? Is he playing with his daddy? Is he? Oh, is it pretty birdies? Is it pretty birdies? Who's the pretty birdies? Come on. What are you doing? You better be nice. You can get no crackers. No crackers for Lenny. No crackers for Lenny. Oh, be easy. Don't bite Daddy hard. Be easy. Be easy. Be easy. Woohoo. Woohoo. Ornery, you're so ornery. Tim is an ornery boy. He's an ornery boy. You better be a pretty birdie. You better be a pretty birdie. So, look at that pretty bird. My name is Lenny. So, my name is Lenny Feathers. Got you by the tail. Rah, rah, rah. Ooh. See, I bust your ass. I bust the ass. See, I bust the ass. Come on. What are you doing? What is that? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, Lenny? No, let go of the camera. No. No. So how about no? How about no? Oh, is you being a baby? Is you wanting lovins? See, you play with me like a dog. Tell you, you're like an old dog, Lenny. You play like a dog. It's crazy. Tell you are crazy. It's a crazy birdie. Let me give you scratches. Come on, let me give you scratches. And pet the baby. Oh, pet the baby. Pet the baby, Len. Oh, what a baby. Them is the babies. My baby parrot. To my little baby parrot birdies. Oh, it's been a pretty bird. That feels good, don't it? Yeah. Does it feel good? Come on. You want with your daddy? Here. Come on. Step up. Alright. Tell everybody bye. Say bye-bye. Yup. How cute.